welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So I'm going to be showing you guys this unit from Beauty Forever Hair. Of course, the links are in the description box below, but I'm obsessed with this color. As you guys can see, it's kind of like a red Auburn tone. I'm not really sure what to call it, but I think it looks amazing on my skin. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. This is the unit straight out of the bag. Nothing has been done to it. The hair, nothing new for Beauty Forever, but the hair is super quality. I love the lace on this unit. It was easy to customize, bleach the knots, everything like that. At first, I wasn't even going to bleach these knots because I didn't think I needed to, but just for more of a better install, I decided to go ahead and do that. But I'm not going to show you guys exactly how I put this, how I customized this unit, because I am in no way, shape, or form the best with lace to be trying to explain it to somebody. So just so you guys know, I just did the very basic, bleached my knots, and then some customizing with plucking. So I'm working on my lace front techniques, but I'm definitely not there yet. So yes, please bear with me. But anyway, so I'm just going to install. Super easy, super normal. I don't use glue, I just use the spray that you guys see here, and then I'm just gonna put it on, blow dry it, what you see all the time. So now about the size of this unit, I do have a larger head. Most lace front units do not fit my head, but this one, it did fit. It could have been a little bit bigger, but it did definitely work out. So this one is definitely big head friendly, and I think it had the combs like on the sides. I can't really remember. However, I do like the combs. I know some people don't, but I find that they help me with not using any glue. I like to use the combs, whatever. But I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys just watch the video. I loved how this looked in the end. If you guys like this unit, let me know as well. But thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one.